What's happening? Okay. You got a right girl up on his feet, and I'm spitting for the streets, I'm spitting for me, and everybody else that pay attention and listen and see what this shit that comes out my mouth, that shit might get deep, so if it do, bitch, see, I don't give a fuck if you can't understand what I say, cause what's misunderstood, you ain't gotta understand me, That's kinda crazy and fucked up, but no more fucked up. Been twisted in my life is sick up. I don't give a damn. I look at this and I frown and I smile and I look up to the sky and I say, hey, I'm high. I'm higher than the sky. I'm in a different kind of universe than you and I. But you never met such a white bitch quite like me. No, you ain't. And I'm from the streets and I'm back on the beat and I'm murdering the shit. See? The shit that comes out my mouth is kind of fucked up and twisted, but no more twisted than this. Hey, I came right back on that shit like a crack addict, and I'm sticking right to it like a needle, man. Yeah, that shit is kind of thick and kind of hurt, but I don't give a fuck what you heard. You never met me before. I'm Lisa Marie, and I'm in this shit forever, and you will see I ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna be right here on the beat, spitting to y'all. Y'all wanna hear? I got shit for days, but I'm walking in the maze. I'm kinda lost and confused, trying to find my way, but I can't. I'm walking through the fucking valley of the shadow of death, but I need some help, but I can't, cause I'm too deep. This shit is kinda crazy. See, is it crazy, insane, or fucked up, or twisted, man? I don't know, but whatever, but however you look at it, though, I'm gonna keep going with the fucking flow. I'm freestyling, this shit is coming out my fucking head. That's kinda crazy. The shit that I said, or did I say it, or did you hear me right? I don't give a fuck, you just fucked up for the night. Now pay attention and listen really hard, cause the shit that I'm doing, cause I'm going so hard. I might be on 1, and I might be on 2, but if I'm then you a fucking fool. If you think that I'm some kind of punk, I don't give a fuck, nigga, cause you a chump. Yeah, I said it. I probably wasn't supposed to, but what the fuck, man? It's 2011. I keep it straightforward. I keep it twisted. But what the, I think I'm gonna let the beat go. My name's Lisa Marie, for those of y'all who don't know.